Hey, little week in review in the grain markets for the second Friday in June. The grain markets are open and still trading. This morning we have the WTI trading at $84.91 a barrel. That is at the bottom of the range for the week. On December corn trading at $4.38 and a quarter, bottom range for the week with an RSI of a horrible 23. November soybeans at $11.33 and a quarter, mid-range for the week with an RSI of 34. July wheat trading at $5.84 and a quarter, mid-range for the week with an RSI of 36. Now for some grain stories. Crop ratings this week in the U.S. corn 67% good to excellent, beans 65% good to excellent. That's actually down 1% on the soybeans. There was severe weather throughout the Midwest this week, included heavy rains, flooding, hail, high winds, and even some tornadoes. The CPI, which rates inflation, came out this week at a 4.2% year over year. That's the most since April of 23. And right now, inflation is outpacing income growth. We had an update to the drought monitor index where we saw the majority of the Midwest wetter, with actually Minnesota still continues to have issues. We saw improvements in northern Illinois, eastern Iowa, and northern Missouri as far as drought goes. We did have a USDA report out this week, and there was really no meaningful changes on corn and soybeans. Wheat, they did decrease the yield by a half a bushel per acre nationally, which isn't surprised considering the drought that has continued to affect that crop. We did hit new season lows this week on old crop and new crop corn. Thanks for watching. Bye.